Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on Pareto principle. Before we proceed any further, please do note that we publish 3 marketing videos daily on YouTube. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the definition of Pareto principle. The Pareto principle is also famously known as the 80-20 rule. This principle states that 80% of the output in a system or situation is decided by 20% of the input, which is also known as vital few. Other names for Pareto principle are the law of vital few or the principle of factor scarcity. Moving further, what is the 80-20 principle? The 80-20 rule is a powerful idea for the time and life management. Pareto principle says that 20% of one's actions lead to 80% of the results. The universal truth about inputs and outputs are imbalanced and has laid the foundation for the Pareto principle or the 80-20 rule. It doesn't necessarily have an exact 80-20 ratio. This imbalance is observed in several business cases. The aim of the Pareto method is to figure out which projects are vital. What is the primary aim of the business or manager? Which tasks in particular need to be concentrated upon to align with these aims? These aims and tasks need focus and the rest should be removed or delegated. This theory reminds us that inputs and outputs have an imbalanced relationship. Example, the Pareto method can also be applied to taxation. In the States, top 20% of earners shell out 80 to 90% of the federal income taxes on an average between 2000 and 2006. This was repeated again in 2018. Moving further, history of Pareto principle. Joseph Juran, a management consultant, developed this theory in regards to quality control and improvement. It was named after Vilfredo Pareto, an Italian economist. Pareto had observed the 80-20 connection when he was at the University of Lausanne in 1896. In his first work, Cause d'Economie Politique, Pareto showed that 20% of the Italian population owned roughly 80% of the land. The Pareto theory is only related to the Pareto efficiency. Arithmetically speaking, the 80-20 rule is roughly put forth by power law distribution. It is also called Pareto distribution. It has a specific set of parameters. A lot of natural events follows this distribution. Moving on, how does the Pareto principle work? The principle says that 2 out of 10 items in any generic to-do list will be more worthy than the remaining 8 items put together. The unfortunate truth is that most individuals procrastinate on the top 10 or 20% of the items. These are the most important and valuable ones, also known as the vital few. They spend time on the least important 80%, also called as a trivial many. These do not have any significant role in their success. Finally, where to apply the 80-20 rule? Pareto's 80-20 rule can be used in any scenario. It is essential to understand this principle as it prioritizes months, weeks, days and tasks. Some of the examples are 80% of a firm's result come from the contribution of 20% of workers. 80% of the output is generated from 20% of any employee's time. 20% of businesses' investment result in 80% of profit from investments. This is the case in most of the venture capitalists these days when they make investments in about 10 companies, in 10 startups rather, and 2 out of them turn out to be successful. Moving on, 20% of any code has 80% bugs. 20% of the population possesses 80% of the overall wealth and income, true for many countries. 20% of exercises produces 80% of the result. And finally, 80% of a firm's income comes from 20% of the customers, or I would say the platinum set of customers for any company. So that's it folks, this brings an end to the topic on Pareto principle. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you've liked the video, do subscribe to our channel where we publish 3 videos daily. Additionally, if you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.